Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to change your download location in Google Chrome. So every time asking where to save file. So guys, today I'm explain how to solve this situation. So I'm just today use Chrome browser. This is not Chrome browser, just this is the Chrome server, but it's same browser. So like Chrome browser, so click three dot icon and click settings and scroll down and click download settings. So download locations, so say users X and downloads. So ask where to save file before downloading. Just is off. And download location you can change, click change and select your file. Then I'm select this file and create a new folder, send browser download. So send browser, so select folder and back. So now I'm download anything and already change the location and save the location. So I hope enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon. So goodbye.